Hello children, good morning. Children, today we shall be taking lesson 10, Sher or Gidar, the lion and the jackal. Okay, everyone open textbook page number 60. So this lesson is about a jackal. Anyhow, you guys know that the jackal, the foxes are so much clever. Then though the king of the jungle is very smart, but these guys, the other animals, are very clever. So we shall see how the jackal have fooled the lion, who was waiting for it in his own home. Oh, there was a forest where obviously the forest, that means the jungle's king is lion, and the lion was roaming here and there. He was very hungry, and he was searching one or the other animal to eat. But unfortunately, he did not find any animal, not even a small rabbit, not even a small rat also. So on the way, it have found a cave. It went inside and sat there for some time. He was just relaxing and was thinking that maybe this cave is so nice, maybe some of the animal will live here, and why don't I wait here only till the animal return in its own home. Then whenever the animal is going to come inside, I am going to attack that animal and I am going to have it for my lunch. But soon it was waiting there, and suddenly it fell fast asleep, and the animal who used to live there, it was the jackal. Okay, it returned there by standing nearby to the cave. To that cave, he have saw one footprints of lion. It have observed very carefully to the footprints. Then after observing for a while, it thought that one of the animal, that's a great animal, maybe a lion or tiger, have went inside. But the footprints which are going inside are not coming back. That means the returning footprints are not there. That means whether the lion or tiger is still inside and waiting for me. So here the jackal played the game, and how it have saved its life from the lion, we shall be seeing in this lesson. So every one of you all open page number 60. घने जंगल में एक शेर रहता था। एक दिन शेर बहुत भूखा था। वह शिकार की तलाश में पूरे जंगल में घूमता रहा, मगर हिरन, खरगोश ही तो क्या, एक चूहा तक उसके हाथ नहीं लगा। He did not find any animal. इस तरह शिकार ढूंढते ढूंढते उसे शाम हो गई, अंधेरा होने लगा। It was about to be evening. I mean, it was like becoming dark outside. अचानक शेर को एक गुफा दिखाई दी। उसने सोचा, चलो आज की रात इस गुफा में आराम करता हूँ। वह गुफा में घुसकर बैठ गया। गुफा means what? Cave. It went inside and sat there. I will stay here only tonight because it's it became very dark and I am not going to go to my home. So it's better I'll rest myself here. बैठे बैठे शेर सोचने लगा. It sat there and started thinking. इस गुफा में अवश्य ही कोई जानवर रहता है. Definitely there, this cave belongs to one or the other animal. अब मैं उसको खाकर ही अपनी भूख मिटाऊंगा. यही लेट कर उसके आने का इंतजार करता हूँ. Then it thought to himself, let me wait for the animal who stays here. Then I am going to kill it and I am going to enjoy it. उस गुफा में गीदड़ रहा करता था. गीदड़ कौन है? जैकल. दिन ढलते ही वह अपनी गुफा की ओर लौटा. As it was evening and it started to its own home. गुफा के द्वार पर आया तो उसकी नज़र शेर के पंजों के निशानों पर पड़ी. So as it द्वार मतलब entrance. Okay. As it went to the entrance of that cave, suddenly it stopped and it felt the footprints of the lion, and it was little bit shocked and frightened. वह डर गया, मगर उसने अपने आप को संभाला. वह डर गया means it got frightened, and but also it said to himself, okay, cool down, fine. So उसने पंजों के निशाने का खूब अच्छी तरह से निरीक्षण किया. निरीक्षण करना मतलब observing, putting an observation on it. शेर के पंजे के निशान गुफा में जाने के तो थे, मगर वापस लौटने के नहीं थे. So the footprints he have observed that you can see here, the footprints are there which is going inside, but returning footprints are not there. So वह समझ गया, the gidar thought कि शेर गुफा के अंदर ही छिपा बैठा है, इट इज़ इनसाइड ओनली। उसने सच का पता लगाने की एक अच्छी तरकीब सोची। इट हैज़ थॉट ऑफ वन आइडिया, इट गॉट अ ग्रेट ब्रिलियंट प्लान इन इट्स माइंड। नाउ इट स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग दैट प्लान। वह गुफा के द्वार तक गया और ऊंचे स्वर में बोला। इट वेंट नियर टू द एंट्रेंस ऑफ नियर द एंट्रेंस ऑफ दिस वन द केव एंड सेड वेरी लाउडली, इट शाउटेड, ए मेरी प्यारी गुफा, आज तुम्हें क्या हो गया है? तुम बोलती क्यों नहीं? तुम क्यों नहीं कहती कि अंदर आ जाओ? Now it is playing a game, right? Then it started shouting, oh my dear cave, my beautiful home, what happened to you today? Every day you will welcome me, right? You will only ask me to get inside. Please, my dear, get inside, you will be telling every day. But today you are not saying anything. What had happened to you? You are not even talking to me. What happened? What is your problem? He is asking. गीदड़ की बात सुनकर शेर चिंता में पड़ गया। From inside, the lion was listening everything and it was thinking, maybe really the cave will talk. Any caves will also talk. He was thinking. उसने सोचा गुफा तो बोलती ही नहीं, अगर यहाँ नहीं बोली तो मेरा शिकार वापस चला जाएगा। Now he thought, the lion thought, caves will never talk. But if I don't respond in a cave voice, my food, the delicious food in the form of jackal, is going to return back. Then today I should sleep without having the food. He thought. फिर मुझे भूखा रहना पड़ेगा, क्यों ना मैं ही बोल दूँ? The lion thought, what if I only talk in the voice of the cave and ask whoever the animal is standing outside, ask him to get inside. यही सोचकर शेर बोला। Thinking this only, the lion started saying, अंदर आइए, अंदर आ जाइए, मैं तुम्हारी गुफा, तुम्हारा स्वागत करती हूँ। You come inside, my dear. I'm your home. I'm your own cave. I'm welcoming you. Please get inside. यहाँ सुनते ही गीदड़ डर से कांपने लगा। After listening, it got more frightened. It was very much tense. It was sweating. बस फिर क्या था? After that, what happened? जान बचाने के लिए वह सिर पर पांव रखकर भागा। It ran in the very speed. उसने सोचा, भागते भागते उसने ऊंची आवाज में कहा, by running it said in louder voice, what? इस वन में रहते रहते मैं बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ, लेकिन आज तक मैंने कभी किसी गुफा को बोलते नहीं देखा। It started saying, by running it started saying, see, I am living in this cave, I am living in this jungle from so many years. See, I have even become old, but I did not heard anywhere that the caves also will talk. You fool lion, you fooled me. And by saying this, it ran away. Here, the lion, he kept like, oh my God, I lost this fool also. So, we should never think that we can fool anyone in this world. Okay, maybe that the other person is also much intelligent than us. Yes or no, children? Interesting lesson, right? Once again, you guys go through this, and we shall be writing the notes in the next video. So one more information, children. Onam related question answers you don't have. Okay, only objective type and the lesson you will be having. Okay, children. Bye bye. Take care.